everyone, welcome to page 2020 Rise. I am Sotheany, pleased to see you again. Today we will finish lesson 25, the story Jesus in the temple. And we're gonna learn 5 words today. Let's start together. The first word is election. Election spell E-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Election. Example: his favorite to win the election. His favorite to win the election. Second word is vote. Vote spell V-O-T-E. Vote. Example: I for one vote for peace. I for one vote for peace. Third word is debate. Debate spell D-E-B-A-T-E. Debate. Example: see you at the debate tomorrow. See you at the debate tomorrow. Fourth, elect. Elect spell E-L-E-C-T. Elect. Example: you elect your representative by voting. You elect your representative by voting. The last word is party. Party spell P-A-R-T-Y. Party. Example: the party is the name of a group of people running for office. The party is the name of a group of people running for office. Thank you so much everyone for your spending time and congratulations. Today we are finished lesson 25. So if you want to learn full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.